Hello and welcome to the Crawley Community Awards 2020. Now it has been a very different year this year. As you can see, we're filming in a different space at the Horth. It's empty, it's just us, but that does not change the fact that we do have winners and that your name could be in one of these envelopes. So without further ado, let's get started. This award is for support group and the winner is Super Siblings. Super Siblings are a comparatively new group offering support for siblings of children with disabilities. The group provides a club twice a week in Crawley for children who have either a brother or a sister with physical or learning disabilities. One parent said, "It's so important for my son to be able to make friends with others who just get how hard it is living with a disabled sibling, and his confidence has grown so much." Another added, "Super Siblings have been a lifeline to our family. They provide a fun and supportive group so my child can go and be themselves, away from the pressure of helping to care for another disabled sibling at home. I can't praise the helpers enough. Super Siblings, congratulations."